Hello guys! Today I will tell you about Latvian phone numbers. Latvia is a small country in Europe that has very good virtual phone numbers for any apps, for any purposes. Let's check it. At first I want to tell you a bit about virtual phone numbers. What it exactly is. Virtual phone number is a phone number without any carrier, so it has no owners. You can just buy that number, receive SMS, and You can just buy a number, use it, and be safety and anonymous on the web. So let's check how to sign up in Google with Latvian fake phone number. At first we need to attend sms-man.com website. Here you should sign up, top up your balance, and then you can start buying phone number. Let's search by country Latvia. Choose it. Below we will see list of services. Let's choose Google. Okay, we got our +371 number. Let's go to Google sign up form. Create account for my personal use. Put our information. And let's go next. Here we should use our phone number. Let's choose Latvia in list of countries. Delete first 3 digits and click continue. Okay, Google sent us an SMS, so we have to return to sms-man.com to get our code. Let's click Get SMS. SMS not received yet, but it is not a real problem. Let's wait for a few seconds. While we are waiting SMS, I will tell you more about world of SMS activations. SMS-man is not only a website. We have lots of products that can make your life easier and safer on the web. You can use our Telegram bots, you can use our Telegram channels with free and private phone numbers, you can use our PC application. If you want to buy numbers in bulk, you can also buy an NFT that will give you 10 or 15% discount on chosen country and service. But the special attention I want to pay it at our private numbers channel by that link. Soon I will show you a good video about this channel, how to buy subscription, how to make subscription, how to use that numbers, and so on. Let's return to Google. Let's click Get SMS. We still haven't got our SMS, it is not a big problem. If SMS won't come for a few seconds, couple of seconds, couple of minutes even, we can click Reject. We won't be credited for that number, so we will be able to buy one number more to test. Let's copy our new number, return to Google, click back, put our phone number, don't forget about plus, and let's click Next. Okay, Google sent us again. Let's return to SMS-man and click Get SMS. Finally, we got our SMS code. Let's copy it and paste here. That's all. You can just finish your account sign up and use Google easily, safely, and anonymously with Latvian phone number. Thank you for watching. Put your likes, put your notifications on, subscribe our channel. See you next week. Goodbye.